Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics. In the mathematics previous week in Zoom class and the video we have learned about the division sums. Okay, now in this video also we are going to learn the division sums, multiplication facts and the division facts. Here see, we are going to learn exercise 10.2, exercise 10.2, section A. I'll read the topic. Write division facts for each of these multiplication facts. Okay, here they given multiplication facts and the division facts, asking us to write the division facts for the given multiplication facts. This is the multiplication facts. First we are going to tell the tables and we are going to write the answer. After writing the multiplication facts, how to do the division facts I'll explain now. Now in the multiplication facts it's given 4 2s are 8. Okay, here we can use the 4 tables or 2 tables. If we say 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, or 2 tables, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, multiplication facts also 2 facts are there, division facts also 2 facts we can write. Now here see, it's given 3 4s are what? Here we can use the 4 table or a 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Understand? Okay children, next you see 5 6 are, here you can use 6 table or a 5 table. Now we are going to find out 5 6 are. Here see the tables. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. That means here what is the answer? You are right, 5 6 are 30. Again see 5 tables we can use or 4 table. Now we will see the 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Take and write the 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are, where 5 3s are, what is the answer? 15. 5 3s are 15. Understand? Now we have done the multiplication facts. With using this one, we are going to do the division facts now. Division facts. Okay. What is the answer for the multiplication? That will be the first number in the division. See 12 divided by 3. That means here we are going to use the 3 tables. What tables? In the 3 tables, where 12 comes, that place only the answer. Okay. Now here 12 comes and 3. What is the answer? 4 will be the answer. We will find out with the tables. Okay. In the 3 table where 12 comes, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. In the 4th place, 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So here what is the answer? 4. Got it? Here 4 table. If you see the 4 table, okay children, now 12 divided by 4. Here 12 divided by 3, we got the answer 4. Now 12 divided by 4, that means 4 tables we have to use. We will see in the 4 table which place the 12 comes. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 4, 3 times 12. 4 3 times 12. This is the division facts. Using the multiplication facts, we have done the 2 division facts. See here 3. 4 times 12. 12, 3 times dividing. Okay, 12 if we divide 3 times, what we got? 4. 12 if we divide 4 times 3. Same way only here also. First we have done the multiplication facts. Using this division facts, easy way you can do it. 5 6 are 30. Here 30 is here. 36 times 36 times, what is the answer? 5. We'll see the 6 table is 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. 30, got it no? 6, how many times? 5 times 30. That means 30 if we divide 6 times, how many it will come? Equally 5. Same thing, 30 divided by 5 means what will be the answer? 6. Understand? Using the multiplication facts and tables, easy way we can do this. 5 fours are 20 already we wrote here. Now 20 is here. 20 divided by 5. 20 5 times divide means what will be the answer? 4. Okay. In the 5 table, where the 20 comes, that will the answer. 5 table, 20 where it comes. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. The answer where it comes, that place only the division facts. Okay, same thing. 20 divided by 4. Yes, I can hear you. You are thinking it is a 5. Very good. 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. Here 15 is here. In the 5 table, which place the 15 comes? Which place 15 comes? 5 here, 5 here. Which place it will come? 3 place, 3rd place. Okay, we'll find out in the table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Very good, 15. Here what will come? Is 4. Sorry, 5. Here 5. Okay, I think you all understand this one. Now using the tables, this we are going to do. Okay children, now I'll read out the section B, the topic I am reading. Use multiplication tables to divide the following. What tables you are going to use? Multiplication tables. Okay. You see 21 divided by 3. That means here what tables you have to use? 3 tables. In the 3 tables, which place the 21 comes? In the 3 tables, which place the 21 comes? Shall we see? Yes. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 six are 18. 3 sevens are 21. Which place it comes? It comes in the 7th place. 7 times 3, 21. So what is the answer here? 7. What is the answer? 7. Okay children, next you see 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2. Here is what table we have to use? 2 tables. In the 2 tables, where 14 comes, in which place the 14 comes, that is the answer. Answer we can say, or we can say it is a quotient. Okay, 2 tables. We'll go to the 2 tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. Which place? Yes, 2 2 if we divide means it will come 7. Take and write 7 here. Next, 6 divided by 4. 6 divided by 4. That means what tables we have to use? In the fourth table. The fourth table, which place the 6 comes? 16 comes. Sorry, 16 divided by 4. 16 comes. Shall we see the fourth table? Okay. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Which place comes? Fourth place. So, here what you have to write? 4. 9 divided by 3. What table? 9 table or 3 tables? 3 tables. Okay. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Write down the 3. 3 3s are 9. 9. 3 if we divide, we get 3 groups. 30 divided by 3. Here also 3 tables only. In the 3 tables where that 30 comes? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 3, 10 times 30. That means 30, if we divide 3, how many groups it will get? 10 groups. Understand? It's very easy. If you know the tables, it's very easy to do. This 2 you are going to do. Okay? You all know the tables. In the last term, second term itself, you all learned the tables. It's in the note also. I want you to do this one as a homework. Then only you will know how to do this one. Okay, children, this is in the page number 131, exercise number 10.2. Exercise number 10.2. Okay, children, learn the tables, be thorough with the tables, then only multiplication and the division will be easy to do. Thank you, children.